Hello, welcome to Whiskey Talks. This is Anmol, and today I'm going to talk about the 5 traits indicating that you are not true to yourself. Jumping straight into it, trait number 1, you compliment others even when you don't mean it. I know that people really like it when you praise them, when you appreciate them for how good they look or how great they smell. It is good to appreciate a thing that is worth it, but when you fake compliment someone, it has its own repercussions, such as you are hindering someone's progress by not pointing out about what they should work on. You are always giving a false sense of greatness to your friends and family by appreciating them for unimportant things. Also, people will soon know that you are not a real deal, and your compliments won't matter much because you do them all the time. So you can always choose silence when you don't want to compliment someone and can save your compliments for what you find really praiseworthy. Point number 2, laughing at something that you don't find funny. We do it all the time. We meet someone and then try to laugh or at least smile even for their shittiest jokes that we don't like. We do it just to be polite. But if you will notice, we don't do it around our best friends or family because we are not trying to impress them. So we don't fake it. We should be more like this every time, because faking a laugh needs to be followed by lots of fake laughs and more bad jokes that we don't want to hear, but we just have pretended to like them. So we have to. Number 3, you cannot express yourself. Your opinion matters, even if it does not sound great as others. Just like the next person, you have all the liberty to express yourself. Never try to blend in just for the sake of acceptance by others. If you think differently, go with it. That makes you identity. That is what makes you unique. Point number 4, you lie about things just to please others. We have all heard it, that sometimes to cover up one lie, you need hundreds of more lies. You cannot remember that much lies and they become a burden on you. So why to carry such a burden just to please others? You can always politely disagree if you don't want to offend the next person, or you can always choose your silence, which is the greatest tool when used gracefully. Point number 5, acting happy when you are not. Acting is really great, but only when done best on screen. In real life, acting leaves a big toll on you. You get frustrated when you always fake your emotions in front of others. That makes you uncomfortable every time, and your real self have to suffer around the wheel of fake face that you put around others. So it's all a game of pretending, trying to please others, and be unwilling to face the rejection. This makes you untrue to yourself, and hence your comfort and confidence around others suffers. So don't pretend and don't fake things, and you will find the ultimate sense of freedom and peace. And that's all for today. Hope you like this video. If you like it, click on the like button, and if you are new, subscribe to Whiskey Talks. See you next time.